now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. Hopefully the Derek Jeter fans are gone. Release day, obviously. We have the Homage to Home Jordan 1. The most unique pair of Jordan 1s I've seen in a while. Cause I used to think the Lance Mountains were like crazy, you know, on foot. And not many people are gonna have that type of shoe. But these, these, my friends, are pretty crazy. It is a mixture of Chicago and bread. You see? You see? Hold on. You see? You see? Yes. So it is to be honest, it is a really cool shoe. I really like the way these look. I did a poll on Instagram. What should I keep, the bread toes or these? I decided both. But here's what I'm gonna say. This is getting a little out of hand. Hold on. Wait for it.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
This is getting out of hand. These are all different pairs of Jordan 1s. You got Gym Reds, Europe release, Homage to Home, Chicago 1, Lance Mountain, Bread Toe, Black Toe, and Bread. This is out of hand. I don't have enough red to even wear these shoes. But there's so many black and red colorways. White and red, black and red, black, white, red. I don't know what to do with my life. But I feel like it's such a historic, you know, Chicago theme. I can't pass. So I dare you to ask me who I think is the GOAT. Because there's only one. But I really do love this shoe. I love the detail on this shoe. You can kind of feel the ridge. I think that's pretty cool. It even goes through the back of the shoe. I just really like it. I really like how they made this shoe. It was a must cop for me. Prices are down. A lot of people are asking me why they're not selling for as much as they were when they first came out with it. It's because the other pairs were numbered. This pair is not numbered. So a lot of stores got them. Hopefully you copped. I think they're still only about 50, 60 bucks over retail, but it's a dope shoe. It's a dope shoe. But we gotta figure out what to do with these Jordan 1s, red, black. It's almost ridiculous. Stay tuned, subscribe. We got some crazy heat on the way. Speaking of black, white, red, all that, we got some crazy heat on the way.